Ethereum broke a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it over on Telegram. If you guys are interested in trade setups as well as market outlook, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful corrective move we saw on Ethereum. For those of you that watched my previous video, I mentioned the fact that we are paying very close attention to our 1715 resistance now turning into support if we are going to be looking for further bull side pressure. But you can see that we ended up breaking below 1715, which of course was a clean confirmation for a short. For those of you that were part of Telegram, we managed to catch some very nice move sets towards the downside, and as of right now we are treading very carefully right above 1631. Now I want to talk about the 1631 support level because you can see from previous price analysis, every time we end up breaking below that support level, we end up retesting this support right here at 1612. 1612 has quite a bit of confluence in this region, as well as the fact that you can see this is pretty much where the bottom of the move set is. So ideally, that's exactly where we are looking for a possible area to start looking for a scalp towards the upside. But otherwise, we are only looking for shorts leading into this range. Now, I mentioned in Telegram the fact that we have yet to test our 20 exponential moving average, which of course could lead into a liquidity grab towards the upside, and then the continuation, which we have to be very careful for. But of course, the dead giveaway is if we break below this wick here at 1625. 1625, of course, was the wick low right here. Seeing another break formation would cause a nice capitulation towards the downside in terms of that wick that we end up playing. And even if you look here on the lower time frames, you'll notice the fact that we are continuing to use our exponential moving averages as resistance as we continue pushing further. Now, I don't talk about the lower time frames very much because of the fact that they're usually a lot more manipulated, but you can see in this range, mostly when you have a tight consolidation zone like this, it gives you a better understanding of where exactly to look for your entries. You can see on 1657 we were using it as support, which ended up flipping to resistance. That's how we knew the fact that this was going to be a bearish confirmation. Using the exponential moving averages as resistance, we saw a very strong bearish engulfing, followed by the same pullback, retesting the EMA, and another retest towards the downside. This is exactly how you trade on the lower time frames, looking for those ideal entries. And as of right now, if you look even on the daily, we have broken the exponential moving averages. Usually on the dailies, they tend to give you a better understanding of where exactly the wick lows or even the continuation can go. And right now, losing these EMAs, of course, waiting for that retest in terms of resistance for confirmation, we are still keeping a very close eye on our overall target on Ethereum at 1339. The reason that level, of course, you can see when Ethereum had this massive drop right here, we did see some very nice price action manipulation. In one green candle on the daily, we saw a huge increase, and there is a ton of liquidity trapped within this range, which is why I have been focusing on this overall move set to end somewhere around this range where we can possibly look for some buying opportunities. If, of course, we end up hitting that range low of the 1390 and retesting it as resistance, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be seeing a lot more further downside on Ethereum. I mentioned this over and over to you guys many times, the fact that if we are using the daily exponential moving average and trading below them, there's absolutely no reason to be looking for those long opportunities. You can see that the price action right here was extremely manipulated. You already know that these candlesticks, in terms of manipulation without any wick, we know that these are very nice candlesticks to look for those short entries. We saw the same capitulation, of course, in terms of the downside, then immediately after a very nice V-shaped corrective move, but we didn't see any correction in terms of the exponential moving averages. You can see that we were pretty much using a slow ladder case towards the upside, and we were in extreme overbought territory, as well as creating this gap, which was a dead giveaway of a fake out move set, and that's exactly why we saw such a larger correction on the higher time frames. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have